Kies Auto Show is just a couple weeks away, and for me coming from Michigan, it's about 1,300 miles round trip. So today we're going to be doing some maintenance. I want to show you how I get this car ready for a road trip, as well as some of the tools and supplies that I like to bring with me on these longer drives. My car will be due for an oil change within the mileage of this trip, so I'll start with that. Now this might seem weird, but when it comes to any kind of engine maintenance, even something as simple as an oil change, I like to knock that stuff out well ahead of the trip. That way, on the off chance that maybe something goes wrong, maybe the low oil light comes on, or I find out that I didn't quite tighten that filter cap quite enough, I'll find that stuff out close to home rather than being like 100 miles into my trip. And I don't really foresee that happening because I've done so many oil changes now, but just to be safe, I like to be able to drive around town for a few days before I head out. So in case you've never changed the oil on a modern BMW, your new oil filter is going to come with a new crush washer for the drain plug and a new O-ring that's going to go on the oil filter cap. Before you take it off, just take note of where it's at so that you put it in the right place. And I recommend picking up a pick tool like this. That will make getting the old one off a lot easier. The B58 oil filter has several rubber O-rings inside and out. I coat them all with fresh oil before reinstalling it. So they were out of the 5-liter oil containers, so I got 7 of these single liters, and I gotta say, they're way easier to pour. After changing the oil, I check and top off other fluids as needed. Next, I check the air pressure in all 4 tires. A digital gauge like this is cheap and accurate. My front passenger tire was slightly under, so I filled it to the correct spec. So I'm not going to worry too much about washing the car since it's just going to get dirty on the road, and I will have time before the show to go to the car wash, but I am going to clean the windshield. It's looking kind of gross right now, and there's nothing worse than driving with a dirty windshield. As a kid, I remember my dad using Rain-X on the windows the night before a trip, and it's a tradition that I've carried on. Alright, so as far as stuff that I'm bringing with me, I've got my portable air compressor, I've got a scissor jack, which I did test out, it does fit under the car, I'll link this one below if you don't have one, tire pressure gauge, tire repair kit, breaker bar with a 17mm, I've got my toolbox, extra oil because BMW, and extra coolant because B58. Hopefully I don't need any of this, but I'd rather have it than not. While I'm not too concerned about the exterior just yet, I love starting a trip with a fresh and clean interior. After all, we'll be in here for around 30 hours over the course of this trip. Alright, well thanks for hanging out with me today. If you haven't got your tickets already for Kies Auto Show, I'll put a link down in the description. It's going to be July 2nd, Atlantic City, New Jersey. If you live anywhere on the East Coast, I really hope to see you there. And if not, don't worry. I'm going to be filming the whole thing and I'll do a YouTube video of it. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. I'm going to put a bunch of links down in the description. Oil change supplies, car tools, car cleaning supplies. Everything will be listed down below. And also you can pick up a t-shirt. I've got a few new designs on my website as well. But thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. So you're gonna have to get in that lane because that lane goes over.